How to see watch history on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your watch history on TikTok so you can find videos you have watched before. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Activity Center. So simply tap on it. And now here, inside the Activity Center, you can see the option labeled as Watch History. So simply tap on it, and here inside the watch history, you can rewatch the videos that you have liked, shared, or saved. So here you can simply see all the videos that you have watched before, and there you can simply select the videos to add them to your favorites or share them or save them in your device. And that's it. That's how you can see watch history on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.